Yeah, my name is Phil Dunn. I'm a manufacturing engineer. I work for ITW, which is Illinois Tool Works. They're a global corporation all around the world. We make automotive components, we make adhesives, we make welding products, and some specialty lines. We have the EcoPower, we have the 8 Series and 9 Series robots. We have the Insider package and all the 4.0 connectivity that goes along with that. Color mixers, water heaters. So I've been walking around MPE, and what I know that stands out, because I'm tasked with looking at other vendors, not just Wittmann, although we use primarily Wittmann, the 4.0. A lot of different vendors do not offer that, don't have that, and I think that's a game changer for sure, because it's really nice to be able to set something from one recipe and have it talk and communicate with everything else. So. Well, honestly, when I first got introduced to Battenfelds, when Wittmann bought out Battenfeld, I had a bad experience with Battenfeld. So I was like, nope, I don't want to have anything to do with looking at that. But they were persistent and they kept asking me, and it definitely surpassed what I would ever have thought of Battenfeld. They did a great job of redoing the business structure and the molding machine and bringing it to where it is today. It's definitely, and the 4.0 part of it, I think surpasses 90% of your competitors. So I think that's an awesome benefit to what we do at our location in Connecticut.